Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to make garlic buttered shrimps. Here's the ingredients that we're going to use. Deveined shrimps of any sizes. A head of garlic, minced. Salted butter. Half of lemon, and a cup of Sprite or lemon and lime soda. Here's the complete list of ingredients that we're going to use and its measurements. Let's get started. In a bowl, we're going to put in our shrimp and we'll marinate it with Sprite. We'll just arrange our shrimp just to make sure every piece is immersed with Sprite. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to 2 hours. The longer the better. Once we're done marinating, we may now collect our shrimps. We're no longer going to use the lemon lime soda we used. Once done, let's start cooking. On a low heated pan, we're going to put in our butter. Make sure that it's on a low heat or the butter will easily get burned when cooked. From here, we may now saute our garlic. Saute garlic until it turns light brown in color. That it's starting to turn brown, we'll just go ahead and add in our shrimps. Stir fry until some of it turns a little bit of orangey in color. Make sure to flip them over. From here, we can increase our heat to a medium. Then we'll squeeze in our lemon. We'll then add salt. And ground black pepper to taste. Stir fry the shrimp to balance the flavor. From here, as you can see, the liquid is slowly reducing, so then we'll add brown sugar just to add a little sweetness to our shrimp. Continue cooking until the liquid evaporates. And it's now ready to serve. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I suggest you try it. You'll surely love this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.